In this video, we're going to find the derivative of a logarithmic function of any base. It says find the slope of the line tangent to the graph of f of x equals log base 3, x minus 1 over 3x plus 4 at x equal 3. I first am going to write down or show you that the derivative of log base a of u is really 1 over u natural log a times du over dx. So du over dx is the derivative of the inside function, which is an application of the chain rule. So we're going to start by saying f prime of x is equal to, when we take this derivative, we end up with 1 over x minus 1, 3x plus 4, and then natural log of natural log 3 right there, times the derivative of the inside function, which is x minus 1 over 3x plus 4. Now we're going to have to use the quotient rule here because we're doing the derivative of the inside and it's a fraction. So we're going to use the quotient rule here. We're going to say u is x minus 1, u prime is 1, v is 3x plus 4, and v prime is, derivative of that would be 3. So then we're going to apply the quotient rule, and we're going to say that f prime of x is equal to 1 over x minus 1, 3x plus 4, natural log of 3, and we're going to multiply that times u prime v, so that's 3x plus 4, minus, we'd have 3 times x minus 1 would be 3x minus 1, over v squared, which is 3x plus 4 squared. Now we can move all that to the top of this fraction, so we have f prime of x is equal to, if I distribute the negative, I end up canceling the 3x, right? So I have 3x minus 3x is 0, 4 minus negative 1 is 5, so I end up with 5 over 3x plus 4 squared over x minus 1 over 3x plus 4 natural log of 3. Now I can simplify this a little bit by multiplying the top by the reciprocal of the bottom, because I have two fractions here. So I'm going to end up with 5 over 3x plus 4 squared times the reciprocal of the bottom, which is 3x plus 4, over x minus 1, natural log 3 on the bottom. So that's going to equal, if I take one of the 3x minus 4s and cancel with that piece right there, I end up with 5 over, we would end up with just 3x plus 4 times x minus 1. And then we're dividing by this too, so we end up with natural log 3 on the bottom. So now if you want to find out what f prime of 3 is, you would plug it in. So you'd have 5 over 3 times 3 plus 4 times 3 minus 1, natural log of 3. So you get 5 over, this would be 3 times 3, 9, plus 4 times 2, we get 26 natural log 3. Oh, it looks like I might have made a mistake here. I just noticed this. I multiplied the 3 by x and not by this negative 1 here. This should have been minus 3 right there, which is going to screw this up a little bit because now I distribute that negative to each term, and instead of that being 5, that should have been 7, which makes this 7, which makes this 7. So this should have been 7, which makes this 7. That was my bad for forgetting to distribute the 3 to both terms when I was doing the quotient rule. So 7 over 26 natural log 3, that would be the slope for f prime of 3.